The radio of lifetime. The early bird radio station. All right, reserve. Now first, we will have to listen what was it? Oh, the rain spare. This was it. Now the next is vocalize. Ready, set, go! Now the next is called Love, Love, Love. Me too.
Andrew, there are
Yes, that love, love, love has some Korean in it, right? Right. The next is tie you like this. We will start it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the part of bounce. Sorry.
Are you guys both recording? So we need it to be quiet, so we gotta take turns. Are you done recording for now?
Now this is the ending of this radio. Do we know what it is? It is bicycle traveler. Did you heard about that? I heard about that thing. Ready, set, get going! Goodbye is the end.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.